We're receiving word in India today that Delhi police personnel have reached the residence of Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal. A forensics team has also reached Kejriwal's residence. Delhi cops to probe the assault site at the Chief Minister's house. Shreya Chatterjee joins us. She tracks the Delhi police for the India Today group. Shreya, has the Delhi police been able to recover the CCTV footage? Because that now becomes very crucial. You've got Swati Maliwal saying that she was assaulted. The AAP denies it. They now declared war on their own MP. Does the police have access to the CCTV recorder?
Well, Rahul, in all likelihood, the Delhi police should be able to access the CCTV which is present inside the residence of Arvind Kejriwal just as you enter his residence, and also the CCTVs that are present outside his residence. But not just that, we will also be seeing the Delhi police recording the statements of his staff to unearth what really happened on the 13th of May. They are also going to be piecing together the entire crime scene, corroborating what Swati Maliwal has given in a statement both before the police and before the magistrate. As we talk, an FSL team and a Delhi police team that comprises of the senior officials who are investigating the matter, they are present inside. They will be collecting evidence in the form of digital and physical format and recording the statements of the staff who are inside, and all likelihood were also there on the 13th of May.
Punched, slapped, dragged. That's what AAP MP Swati Maliwal has claimed happened with her at the Delhi Chief Minister's residence. India Today has accessed full details of the FIR that has been filed by the former DCW chief against Arvind Kejriwal's aide Vibhav Kumar. She has alleged that she screamed for help, but no one came. Here's more.
Dragged, slapped and kicked. 4 days after a violent scuffle allegedly broke out in Delhi Chief Minister's living room, the victim, Aam Aadmi Party's Member of Parliament Swati Maliwal, has detailed exactly what happened on that fateful day. The FIR copy accessed by India Today reveals chilling details of the alleged assault on Maliwal. Shortly after 9 a.m. on 13th May, Maliwal claims she arrived at Kejriwal's residence and sent a text to Vibhav on WhatsApp but received no response. Maliwal adds that she was then led into the living room and told that Arvind Kejriwal would meet her soon. But instead she was surprised to see Kejriwal's personal secretary Vibhav walk in. According to the AAP MP, Vibhav entered and immediately began to scream at Maliwal, hurling abuses one after another, calling her a neech aurat and asking her, "Teri auqat kya hai?" She claims he vowed to teach her a lesson. Swati Maliwal claims she was then slapped repeatedly, nearly 7 to 8 times. In an effort to protect herself, Maliwal pushed Vibhav away with her legs. But he pounced on her, dragging her and deliberately pulled Maliwal's shirt up. In the FIR, the victim claims her screams for help went unanswered. Swati Maliwal claims that despite the screaming, Vibhav did not stop. He kicked her in the stomach, on her chest and the pelvis area. Maliwal claims to have told Vibhav that she was also on her period, but to no avail. Maliwal broke out of the scuffle, gathered her glasses and managed to dial the cops. Not just that, the Member of Parliament claims the accused threatened her life, saying, "Aisi jagah gaadenge ki pata bhi nahi chalega." According to her complaint, when Vibhav realized that Swati Maliwal has called up the cops, he returned with security personnel and asked her to leave immediately, despite her request to wait for the cops to arrive.
उसके बाद में बात करूँ। तो पुलिस भी तो बाहर ही आएगी, वो यहाँ तक नहीं आएगी ना? नहीं, कुछ नहीं होता, अब अंदर ही आएगी। I will do it. आज मैं इन लोगों को सबको बताऊँ। हाँ, बता देना, वो आपका हेडेक है। आप मेरे को किसी से बात करेंगे अभी के। अभी करा रहे हैं, आप आइए। आप उधर आप आइए ना। नहीं, मैं एसएचओ सिविल लाइन से बात करूँगी पहले। नहीं, हम यहाँ नहीं कर सकते। नहीं, अब यही होगा, जो करना है करो। और तुम्हारी भी नौकरी खाऊंगी अगर मेरे को टच किया। हम बड़े रिक्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं। मैंने अभी 112 पे कॉल कर दी है, लेट द पुलिस का, उसके बाद में बात करूँ। तो पुलिस भी तो बाहर ही आएगी, वो यहाँ तक नहीं आएगी ना? नहीं, कुछ नहीं होता, अब अंदर ही आएगी, जो होगा। प्लीज कम मैडम बाहर से। हेलो मैडम, प्लीज उठा के फेंक ना, उठा के फेंक। हम रिक्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं आपसे। हम तो रिक्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं। आज फेंक दो, आप पढ़े लिखे लोग हैं, आपके साथ ऐसा थोड़ा करेंगे। ये गंजा प्लीज मैडम नहीं, आप ऐसा ना बोलें। Just because you are CCTV.
The statement has now been recorded before the magistrate as a visibly hurt Maliwal appeared in the court. On Thursday, the former DCW chief underwent a 3-hour-long medical checkup and post-trauma counselling session at All India Institute of Medical Sciences. The Delhi police has formed 10 teams to probe the matter and have written to the CCTV company to obtain the footage. The Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, who has been silent on the assault row, went about campaigning meanwhile for the India bloc in Amritsar.
स्वाति जी एक छोटा सा स्टेटमेंट अगर आप मीडिया के सामने एक बार
Bureau Report, India Today.
स्वाति जी just one statement ma'am